Kung gusto mo talagang palakihin yung biceps mo, dapat meron kang exercise for both heads of the biceps. Isang in front of the body for the short head and isang behind the body for the long head. At ayan mismo yung sasabihin ko kung hindi ko alam yung anatomy ng biceps. At kung isa ka na din sa mga taong suwa na sa misinformation, welcome sa panibagong episode ng Brospiracy, kung saan expose natin ang mga popular fitness myths and the dumb stuff your gym bros swears by. So pwede ba talaga nating i-isolate yung long head and short head? Well, contrary to popular belief, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-isolate. Ang common advice kasi usually is dapat meron kang incline curl para sa long head and preacher curl para sa short head. Pero hindi mo naman talaga kayang i-target yung dalawang heads ng bicep separately in any meaningful way. Kasi although the origin ng long head is the supraglenoid tubercle and yung origin naman ng short head is yung coracoid process, parehas pa rin sila ng insertion, which is sa radial tuberosity. Ibig sabihin, kahit anong flexion exercise gawin mo, parehong mag-work ang long head and short head. And walang special angle na magically mag-on or mag-off yung kabila. That's why if you want maximum stimulus sa biceps, kailangan mo lang ng movement na stable, may descending resistance profile, and tinatamaan yung biceps kung saan siya may best leverage, which is near full elbow extension. So in summary, hindi mo kailangan ng dalawang exercises just to target both heads of the biceps. Kaya sa susunod na may magsasabi sa iyo na kailangan mo ng isang exercise for the short head and isang exercise for the long head, sabihin mo na lang, Brospiracy yan.